Here we go. Here we go. McDog with a personal break of the Holy Grail 2020 F1 Sapphire hunting the elusive Padparacho 101 Max Verstappen image variation. The Holy Grail of the product has not been hit yet. And he's doing a personal of it right here. 2020 F1 Sapphire, McDog. Good luck. Hey, we can make that happen too. McDog, Happy Monday, baby. Let's put it here and in the F1 break, eh? Make it a Happy Monday. Here we go. McDog, let's get wild. All right, we'll take that to start. Little Leclerc and Stroll and Jack Aitken and all portraits. Toto Wolff, all portraits. 100%. That's crazy. I like it. Good sign, right? I think we have our 70th on the back. Max Verstappen. There's old Freddie. There's Lewis. First parallel. Ooh. Gonna be good. Oh, Lando Norris. 70th rookie freshest. Numbered 52 of 70. It's got a decently heavy on the 2020 Nick. He said PSA 4. If you're not familiar, guys, 2020, all of the color has that little mark on the back, so it's not like it really comes down to how bad's the mark. Is it a mark? Is it a single marker? Sometimes they have like two that are like right by each other. Sometimes they're very faint. Sometimes they're not. It's big time roll the dice to know which way it's going to be. Exactly. Dang, look at this. Portrait again. Carlos Sainz. Franz Jost. I mean, this is nuts. Right, Callum Elat. Latifi. Funny, I in 2020 Sapphire, pretty much all portraits I topload. I'm like, man. And then any Lewis and Max, just because. It's all but two cards so far have been either a portrait or Lewis or Max. There's a purple. We've got a purple. We've got a perp. I think it's a sideways perp. I think it's a sideways purple, but we will take purple. Vettel. F2 BWT. Sean Galale. I think it goes this way. Exactly. Purple's purple, right? Here we go. Good luck, McDog. Come on, baby. Charles Leclerc, car purple, baby. 2 of 10. Leclerc purple. About the same as the Lando on that. Oh, baby. What a card. What a card. McDog, congrats. I would say great box. Aqua, I think, coming up. Aqua. There's a Max. You love seeing that. There's Mazepin. Yeah, we are definitely into a portrait box here. This is nuts. Lewis Hamilton. Albon, rookie to 99. Driver of the day. 43 of 99. All right, you got Esteban Ocon. K-Mag portrait. Trident logo. And Valtteri Bottas. 2 to go. Got a gold. This one, I believe, is a portrait gold. Benato. Lando Carr rookie. Daruvala. And I believe portrait gold here. Marino Sato to 50. Portrait gold, 14 of 50. Of course, the Sato has like the faintest double dipper ever. And here we go. No parallel here. Let's see if we can get an image variation. Max. There's Otmar. Full Savnover. Team Motorsport. And Valtteri Bottas. Big dog, I would call that a heck of a box. There you have it, brother. 2020 F1 Sapphire.